Hey guys, I wanted to officially announce the new channel. I did make a new channel and I will be posting most, if not all, my content over there. I also wanted to take a moment to thank every last one of you guys. You have been with me through thick and thin. Some of you have been here from the moment I started the channel, and I can't thank you guys enough. Please know that I'm not abandoning the cause. I will still be providing free art education. It's just in a different channel. I also wanted to thank anyone who watched my last video and took the time to comment. I have read through each comment. I appreciate you guys so much and love you guys so much. Thank you all for providing so much support, and all of those who reached out through Instagram and Discord, and all of those who left a comment. I really can't express my gratitude enough. I'm still going to be doing this. I'm just going to try it in a new channel for a little while. Maybe that'll help, and see where things go from there. I also will be hosting the challenge deadline, the Floral Creature Design Challenge, on the new channel. So I am hosting a challenge right now through my subreddit. Basically take any flower that exists in this world and you turn it into a creature, and you have to submit all your concept art, all your references, your mood board, all of that, entire world building behind it. You can submit that along with your submission, your final render, and the winner will be notified a couple days before the deadline. The deadline is in 1 week. So you guys will have some time. If anyone wants to squeeze one in, you guys have some time, 1 week left to submit your submission, and I will notify the winner, and they will be sitting with me on the call, looking at all the submissions together. I think this is going to be a really, really fun challenge, also because I love gardening, but I also love creature design. I love all of the stuff that goes into it and the world building. So that'll be really, really fun to look at. Every year I usually do a floral humanoids design challenge, but this year I'm doing a floral creature design challenge. And my apprentices are also open to joining all these challenges. So if you want to be an apprentice, you can through Patreon. That's always a great way to get some educational content, get some due dates, get some assignments, get some critiques directly from me. You're working in a group of apprentices through my private Discord for apprentices only. And so I really can't wait to see who submits from that group as well for the Creature Design Challenge. They will be submitting their homework for this month today, actually. All of my apprentices' assignments from last month are due today, so I'll be taking a look at those soon. But you can still hop in for July and the July assignment to get your critique in for that. We cover all kinds of fundamentals. We cover all kinds of stuff so far. So it's been really, really fun this year with my new batch of apprentices, and you guys can join anytime in the year, and you can cancel at any time as well. And that's really all I wanted to announce. I wanted to thank everybody for all the time and care and love, all of the comments, all of the support, all the participation. I really appreciate you guys. Maybe just be a pause from this channel. I may just give this channel some time to breathe, and then I'll come back to it and submit here as well. Thank you guys for all the years you spent with me. I really appreciate you guys so much. Bye.